Health plays an important role in human capital formation, as only healthy person can perform to his full potential and work efficiently. A healthy person can work in a productive way, and in this way it can contribute better in the development of countries. Therefore, an unhealthy person becomes a liability for a country and unable to contribute in country's economic development. Therefore, to prevent a population from a liability of a country, the government must pay adequate attention towards the health and hygiene of the population. Health is one of the proper criteria of ranking countries. By concentrating on health, the sector will attract investment, in turn help in job creation and wellness of all people in the nation, and thus contributes to the country's economic development. We are well aware that contribution of a healthy person is that of an unhealthy person. A sick and unhealthy person is more likely to abstain from work and there is loss of productivity. Therefore, health plays an important role in an individual's working life as it helps to raise the productivity of the labor and improve the quality of life. As a result, most firms are induced to employ people who will work efficiently and contribute more towards the growth of the organization, and thus having a sound physical and mental health is essential for working individual, so they are able to contribute to the organization as well as to the country's economic growth. Our national health policy too aimed at improving the accessibility of healthcare, family welfare and nutritional services with special focus on underprivileged segment of population. Over the last decades, India has built up a vast healthcare infrastructure and has developed manpower required at primary, secondary and tertiary sector in government as well as in private sector. As a result, India has the largest number of doctors, clinic and hospital. India is the fourth largest exporter of medicine and has the largest number of medical colleges in the world. To improve healthcare system in India, government initiated many schemes associated with health sector. Awaaz Health Insurance Scheme, Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, Bhamasha Swasth Bima Yojana, Central Government Health Scheme, CGHS, etc. In 2018, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Yojana was launched by the Government of India to provide free access to healthcare for 40% of people in the country. People using the program access their own primary care services. Apart from the scheme, government taken other measures to improve healthcare facility in India, like initiated transparency in functioning of hospital and healthcare services provider to bring about quality in healthcare, regulating distribution and sales of drug, incentive for the professionals, etc.